Hey guys, this is for this Ring stick-up cam plug-in. All right, here's everything that comes in the box there. Got the camera, got the plug-in for it, got the other plug-in, some screws for it, the sticker, and the setup guide. And we're just charging this one, charging it up for a little bit before we install it. Then you can operate it wirelessly, just add it to your Ring. Okay, now what you'll do is you'll scan the QR code for this camera right there with your phone, and then go ahead and download the Ring app. And now, for installing this outdoors, you're going to use one of these here, which is this option. And this one's just easy. Just add this to your Ring app, scan the QR code, and add the camera to set it up wirelessly. Super easy. Now, what we're going to do is use this Ring pan tilt mount with this. So what you got to do is, this is the unboxing on this thing. All that comes out of there is this and this here, and there's some screws in here too. But what you do is you take your stick-up cam and you're going to want to pull it apart. All you're going to do here is just twist that off and pull that out. So you have this, and now this battery thing has to come out as well. So you just pull that down, press that and pull that out of there. You're not going to need that now. So now you take your stick-up cam, take it right there, and then just put it on just like that. You kind of want to just snap it in there. Just take it like this, snap it in. Good to go. So now you have this. Now we have this piece to think about. So this bottom piece, you'll notice these two holes line up with those two holes there, and that's where the screws come in. But this just goes right in here like that. You'll take that, just lock it in. The way all you have to do is just mount it right back there. Then you can tilt it up, tilt it down. So it doesn't tilt side to side, but you can go up like that. So it gives you a little more, some more options for mounting this thing. And you won't need this thing anymore either. Okay, here's the screws that came with it. So these are for drywall. And then here's the caps. Once you get the screws in, the caps are just going to snap right into there. And once you get the Ring app going, you do setup. You click on set up a device. When prompted, select security cameras. You'll see the blue light flashing. You just follow the steps from there, super easy. And there's the view right there. Tap to go live. There we go. And we're just operating this thing wirelessly right up there.